Hi YouTube. So I got this package this week. Excuse my ashy hands. It's the weekend and I don't do much but lay around all day. This is the Jam Rock 2 Matte. Okay, I'm going to, by Plan and Makeup by Yolondo, I'm going to have to actually get the regular Jam Rock. Okay. And put them side by side so that you all can see. And this is what it looks like. It has a mirror. And you have some pastels. You have some cool tones. You have some warm tones. You have your blues, your purples, your burgundies, your navies, your violets, you know, 1962. You know, you got your, look at that green. Okay, you got your transition shade here. Okay, here. These are some transition shades. That peach is a transition shade. So you got your transition shades. That orange, rumpus, that's a nice transition shade. So this is the Bonos. Okay, that's an interesting shade right here. Is it eerie? Because that's exactly what it looks like. Okay. Okay, and then we have the browns and nude by Yolondo eyeshadow palette. And so I'm just gonna open it. It's a mirror on the other side. And then you have all of these nice neutral brown. Now all the cool tone shades are up here. And yeah, then you come down here to your nice warm, okay, tone. So this is your brown and your nudes palette. Okay, no names on those. Okay, and then they threw in a freebie. If you go on Plan and Makeup by Yolondo, you can purchase these. I purchased this on a 40% off, and it's called Mixture. Okay, and it has a nice blues and greens, and I have this one. Nice blues and greens. I have this one. The one that I have last year, I swatched it already before. And yeah, so you got your mixture, which was free. Okay, and you got your browns and nudes for all of those who don't really like colors. Okay, and then you have your Jam Rock Matte palette for those who like color. Okay, you got some warms, some cools, and I mean the graphics on here. Okay, and I did purchase something right after she had the 40% off. She turned around and had a 50% off. So I had been wanting the Chrome palette, so I ended up purchasing the Chrome palette for 50% off. And it's nothing but chromes in there. Nothing but chromes in there. I don't know if they multi-chrome, dual chromes, but it's nothing but chromes in there. And I ended up purchasing one of her new concealers that she has come out with. So if you're interested in this palette or learning more about the brand, is Plan and Makeup by Yolondo. You probably can't see right there? Plan and Makeup by Yolondo. PMB. Okay, for short. And this is the Jam Rock Matte palette number 2. And I went into my stash and I found the Jam Rock number 1. And it's called No Limitation. And this is called the Gem Rock number 2. So this is a very, very old palette. This is one of my first palettes that I ever bought from her. And as you can see, y'all don't even gotta ask me what happened to it. Y'all already know. My granddaughter. And she seemed to really like the shimmer shades. But I have another one. She had a 50% off. And I bought another one. In fact, I think she dug in that one too. And I had to clean it off at work. So this is number 1. And this is the remix called Gem Rock 2. Thanks for watching.